Hi, my name is Bill Rosenberg, Executive Chef of Noma Social in New Rochelle, and today we're going to do some baked chicken with saute of wild mushrooms, a little bit of marsala, and some veal demi-glaze. We sauteed the mushrooms ahead of time with some garlic, shallots, a little salt and pepper. We're going to season the chicken on both sides with salt and pepper pretty aggressively. Then we're going to heat up some oil until it starts to dance in the pan. You'll get a little shimmer. Then we'll place the chicken skin side down to crisp it up, nice and golden, and then we'll finish it in the oven. A chicken breast about this size usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven temperature. I like to keep the oven on about 450 to 500 degrees. Once the chicken is cooked, we'll pull it out of the stove. We're going to add our mushroom mix, let that cook for a little bit just to get some flavor out of the mushrooms. We'll deglaze with a little bit of marsala wine, and then we're going to add in our veal stock. Let that cook down to the sauce consistency that you want. Hope you enjoy.